Okay, 4S on the Kronos XTR with the Max8 combo, and this thing is out of control already. Stand behind me, Matt, just in case. Stand closer to me. I don't want to collect your ankles. Man, this thing's got some go on 4S. Woo! Gee. Who's gonna need 6S? Man, this thing's out of control. Handle's good. Good grip as well. Man, this thing's got balls. Just plows through everything. That's nuts. This is going to be fun. All right, let's get airborne. Jesus. First jump. Man, this thing goes just on 4S is nuts. This thing. What do you reckon, Matt? All right? And that's how it's done. Get that throttle control. Oh! There we go. Back on its feet. What do you reckon? Should we up the ante? All right, here we go. Big send. There we go.
Oh.
We're good, we're good.
Yeah.
All right, you've been into RC for a little bit.
Yeah, a bit.
Okay,
Yeah.
What do you think of this so far?
I reckon compared to the Creighton and Notorious, like they're the two that I've got.
Yeah.
I just think it's short wheelbase but amazing stability.
Well, this is the same size as the Creighton.
It's like that wide wheelbase, but it's
Yeah.
amazing. So like being able to get that speed without it just flipping over is crazy. Wow. That's mad.
This thing has got power for days on.
What's the control like compared?
It is brilliant. It's just so nice to drive. Whoa!
Wow, it takes it.
Whoop! Bit too far.
Wow. Sorry,
So good. It is so good. Heaps of power just on 4S. This is plenty.
Wow.
Yeah! This thing is insane. That's only 4S, man. 6S is out of control.
No, you wouldn't even put 6S in.
This drives unbelievable. It is just so nice, man. All right, let's do another big send. Here we go. Oh, hang on. I gotta line that up a bit better. Let's go back out there.
Whoa. Man. Whoa. Oh.
Perfect landing. That was a 10 out of 10. All right. Should we try the Superman jump? So usually this is where things go wrong. Perfect. You're just chopping down grass as it's going up. So on 4S it looks like I can only do a single backflip, but on 6S I reckon we'll do doubles and triples easy. Alright, let's do a couple more. This thing!
It just takes it all.
This thing is out of control. Alright, here we go. Beautiful. There we go. Let's call it on 4S. What do you reckon, Matt? Verdict on 4S? Good?
It's insane, man. For 4S, like I haven't seen something like that on 4S. I don't need to see that. If I had it, 6S.
You wouldn't need it, would you?
That's so cool.
There we go.
That's mad, man.
Alright, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Oh, sideways. And I'll be speaking to you all next time. Bye from Kronos.